In this video, I'm just going to go over how to use TradingView, the platform where you look at charts, and I'll be showing you how to place a trade. So once you're on TradingView.com, they're going to ask you to either sign up or log in. To sign up, you just use your email, and you can pretty much figure it out from there. So you can look at all charts on this. We have Forex, crypto, bonds, anything, right? So we're actually going to look at some. Let's actually pull up the euro dollar chart right now. Okay, so this is my chart. So let me just pull up a clean chart. Okay, so you can type in this box any pair or indice that you would like to look at. In this case, I'm typing in GBP, JPY. Okay, so here you can see the movement of price, and up here you can actually change the time frame. So let's change it to the daily time frame. Now here you actually view the indicators that you have on. You can hide it or show it using this little eye icon right here. Okay, so and this is just another indicator that I have. So with the free plan you can have up to 3 indicators, but with the paid plan you can actually add more. So to add indicators, you just click on indicators and whichever one you'd like to add. There's tons that you can also screenshot charts, publish your own trading ideas, and view other trading ideas. Alright, so here we have the drawing tools. So if you look to the left hand side, you'll see a toolbar. This is where you get access to all the drawing tools and other tools that you will need in order to mark up your charts. Now all the tools are pretty much free, so you won't need to upgrade to a paid plan. Okay, so the red bars are made every time price goes down, and we have the green bars every time price goes up. So down is a sell, up is a buy. Basically, just remember that. Now the bars are called candles. Right now we're on the daily time frame, so each candle represents 1 day. Whereas if we head down to the 4-hour, each candle would represent 4 hours, and so on. Right, so now I'll actually, if you click this icon right here, you can make a list of pairs that you would like to look at. So I actually have my watch list right here. All my major pairs on top, as I said before. And you can just mark off the ones you're looking at for the week. That's what I do. So yeah. This is setting your time zone. To set your time zone, you click right there. And so that's pretty much the basics of TradingView, everything you need to know to get started with marking up your charts. So I'll actually explain some technical analysis in the other videos. Now when it comes to setting up your broker, you can use an online broker, or depending on where you live, you can Google brokers there. And a couple tips to note when choosing a broker: make sure they are regulated one, and open a demo account with them first to get used to their platform. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the actual platform where you're able to place your trades. The platform is called MetaTrader 4, so you can download that on the App Store within your smart device. Actually a preview of inside the app. I have added all my forex pairs here. To add pairs, you just click the little button up at the top. You can add forex shares, whatever it is that you trade. If you click on advanced, you can see the spread, and so Remember that if you're just starting out, you need to open a demo account to practice. So if you click on chart, you can actually change its layout, add some indicators, view the movement of price, change the time frame, use tools and stuff like that. Alright, so when placing a trade, you tap on the pair you want to trade and you select trade. Now this is what will come up. At the top where you see that 0.01, you can adjust your lot size to suit. Okay, so let's say we want to place a buy order. So we set the take profit to a price above the current price and your stop loss to be a price below the current price. Now that's for a buy, whereas for sell, it would be the opposite. Take profit below, stop loss above. Now the platform we discussed before, MetaTrader 4, which is TradingView.com. This is where you analyze your charts and stuff like that, and where you'd be able to see what your target profit is and what your stop loss should be. Now to decide whether you are going to buy or sell based on whether price will go up or down, we do something called technical analysis. Now I'll be discussing technical analysis in the following videos, and I'll be touching on fundamentals as well. I'll also cover some mindset education. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this second part of my free training series. If you have any questions, check the links in the description below. Get in contact with me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have.